Okay, see, I have my math journal pages up, and I have my InterWrite software up as well. Before we start, I want to make sure that you have the capture icon on your main toolbar. If you don't have that here, please see one of my previous tutorials about customizing your toolbar so that you can add that capture icon on there, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of these captures. Okay, so to begin, I'm just going to choose a page to do, and I'm going to click on this capture icon, and I want to do a partial capture. So I'm going to click on there, and my mouse turns into this weird thing. I'm going to use that to click on the top left-hand corner of the math journal page, or the right-hand corner if you prefer, and drag down to the opposite bottom corner, and then unclick. And InterWrite will automatically place that capture in an InterWrite page. And if you want to move it when you have your mouse over top of it, you get this four-headed arrow. That means you can move it if you want to center it, which I like to do that. You can also make it larger if you would like. And once you have it the way you like it, you could go ahead right now and save that captured page. However, if within the course of a lesson you're going to be doing 2 or 3 of these pages with your students, and you want to have them all at your fingertips, well, we can create a lesson within InterWrite having these pages strung together. And to do that, we need to go back to our math journal page, CD or whatever you're using, and we need to go out of mouse mode, because right now we're in InterWrite mode. We have an InterWrite page up, so we need to go to mouse mode. So we're going to click on the mouse mode icon, and we're back in just regular computer screen mouse mode, and we're going to choose the next screen that we're going to capture. Go ahead and capture a partial capture. Click in the top corner, drag to the opposite bottom corner. Once again, move it, resize it so that it's just how you like it. And you could repeat this as many times as you would like. You could also add a blank page if at this point you want to be having your students do an activity, and you could type up the directions here, or insert a little video or a picture, whatever you want to do, and have everything that you need for that lesson all at your fingertips, almost like a PowerPoint where you would just cycle through each slide. Okay? And now to see your basic lesson that you created, you're going to go to the page sorter icon. And these are the 3 pages that we just created. See, it's very much like PowerPoint screens. Okay? And if you're starting your lesson and you had the triangle and you did an upside down triangle and you completed the rest of this worksheet, and now you're ready to go on to the next page, you can use these green arrows if you have these on your toolbar. If not, they are in the bottom right-hand corner of the tray here. But you could go to your next page, do that. Go to your next page, do the activity, and you have your lesson all set up. Okay, once you've completed your lesson, go ahead and save the whole thing. Okay, File, Save As. And I really recommend that you start by setting up folders to keep yourself organized. This is the new folder icon. Create a folder called InterWrite or Math Lessons or whatever you're going to call it, and open that folder up that you've created, and then within that folder create some other subfolders, Unit 4 or maybe Math or whatever you're going to call it. Open up that folder. You could create another subfolder if you needed to, or you could just go ahead and name that lesson and hit Save.